Okay, check this out. You definitely gotta see what this video is. Just check this out. Okay, this seagull right here is just sitting there.
Hey, give us bread back.
It's just doing nothing.
And look at this one. It's stolen
See?
bread.
Go near, go near, go near. Quiet, walk quietly. See, it's not even moving. All right, walk back, walk back, walk back.
It looks injured.
Wow. Not doing anything.
No.
See? Look at it, getting bread. This one's just sitting there, not doing anything.
Is it injured?
Here, go closer, go closer.
Go closer. Let me go closer. I can go.
All right, walk back, walk back.
That's not even close as I went.
I'm gonna go closer. Check it out.
No, Cody. Let it lay on. Let it lay. Let it lay.
No, it's out of breath.
Yeah, I know, it's out of breath. Why would it?
It's out of breath.
Yeah, I know.
Move closer. Don't be away from the closer.
Yeah, I'm not.
Still there? I need
Look
to
at that.
picture.
It's just sitting there. Well, the other seagulls are all the way over there. They're up in the sky. Why is this one sitting down there? Like, why? Is it like catching a breath? Is it injured? What? What could be the problem?
Out of breath.
Seriously.
What's that under it?
That's it.
Oh.
What?
I think that's better. You can clearly see this. Ah!
My guess?
Ah!
Got two guesses. Shot three. One,
It's just sitting there doing that.
or three. It's
Look at it. Just sitting there doing that. Why would it just sit there
out of breath.
out of breath?
My guess.
Throw another bread. Or, no, wait, no, don't, no. Huh. I'm close to it. It's not even flying away.
Cody, get that scooter.
It's still there. Look at that. Look, I'm waving. Yeah, you can't even tell, but I am.
Yeah, I probably got hurt.
Hey, you stole my scooter.
What's the matter, Bug?
Why are you
What's the
petting me?
matter? Yeah, he got hurt.
Oh,
How do you know?
shit.
Yeah, he's hurt. He would have already moved. Back away.
How do you know?
Back away, just back away,
How do
Lily.
you know?
Cause he can't fly.
Why are you petting it?
Cause I'm trying to calm him.
I'll pet it.
Hyder, go get a bowl with some water.
Alright.
Go get a bowl with some water.
Maybe some pain.
It is. He got hurt.
How?
I don't know.
Maybe the wing got injured. The wing got injured. That's why it's not flying away. If it can't fly, then it's the wing got injured.
How long has it been sitting here?
I have no idea.
Put this on camera.
Maybe a few minutes ago. Or maybe while we were getting the stuff put away.
Give me a towel.
We'll get a towel.
Bring me a dirty towel from the bathroom.
Get it
I'm gonna
dirty.
pick it up and see what's wrong with its leg.
Papa will link it on the floor. School.
Okay. No. Don't pet it.
That's gonna be wrong with that leg.
There should not be that low. Thomas, this.
Maybe it'll look like it's choking something. That's why it's doing that.
It's like trying to show you where it's injured.
No, he's. I think.
Yeah,
he
it looks
can't
like.
breathe.
Oh yeah, it looks like he's choking something.
Breathe. Help it. Nothing I could do for it. How are you going to save it? Yeah, he's dying.
Ooh, yeah, he is.
Maybe like do CPR on it.
Nope. No.
I bet you got zapped.
Oh, right. Probably got zapped from up there. That's why. Oh. Things are out.
Bro, what is that?
Yeah, he's about to die.
Yeah, it's about to die because it got zapped.
Here, bring me my
Why is it
Flip
red in
flops.
his mouth? Why is it red in his mouth?
That's his mouth.
Oh.
It looked like it's choking something, but it's not, Lily.
But it looks like it's
What are you doing?
bleeding.
Alright, up. And
No, he
Ye-
probably
ye-
got zapped.
yeah. Just,
Zapped by what?
What the hell? Those aren't mine.
that's mine, Thomas. You know what? I
Uh,
get it's fine. It's fine.
Wait, what did he get hit?
He's
What
dead.
happened?
And
What did it get
moving a
zapped
bit.
by?
Okay, I guess if
What
he
did
is dead.
What did it die from?
It probably got zapped.
From what?
Yeah.
The line.
See? Up there.
But they have a cover on. How
No.
did they do that?
It got close and accidentally. I didn't even hear it wait. Okay. Well, we suddenly just got a weird dead bird. Here, go ahead. Put this. All right.
You gotta turn the knob.
Turn it down. No, you're not.
And was still.
Well, somehow we just found a bird that was dying. So.
That's crazy. Rest in peace.
Want to take a bigger one?
The dead bird.
Yep, got zapped.
Probably did. Or could have been breathing problems. What's that?
Or choked on something.
problems.
Gonna choke on bread that someone gave it. Maybe when I was at the beach.
bet it was breathing.
I bet it was when he went to the beach. Or he accidentally ate one of the trash. Or he accidentally fell into the trash. I'm not sure.
A lot of rocks.
Yeah, I noticed so many rocks in here.
You give it up? No.
Wait. Oh.
Hey, don't put the towel in there. Oh. I want to cover it. Can I cover it?
All right.
I want to cover it.
Yeah, it's dead.
Can I cover it? Can I cover some? Dad, can I cover some? I want to cover some. I can cover some.
All right, pat it down.
Let me pat it down. I'll pat it down.
Go ahead.
Throw that away. This?
Yeah, throw it away.
Alright. Throw it away because it was holding a dead bird.
Here, hold this. Hold my camera. Here, hold my phone. Here, just make sure you don't get your finger in the camera spot. There you go. Well, saw a bird dying, and we didn't expect that to happen. Well,
No one to.
okay. Well,
It's fine. We got
bird's
most of
dead.
it.
Right here. And stepping on.
Fine, we got most of it.
Yep, right there. Anywho, that's it for the video.
Honor it.
No, it's just a seagull.
Rest in peace.
Nobody cares about that, so
Hey.
it's just a
Hey.
it's just a regular seagull. All other seagulls die.
It's a nice seagull.
No, it wasn't because it was dying. Probably it was stupid to touch one of those electrical wires up there. See, like right up there, around where where my finger is, like up there, or maybe up there, or around those wires. Yeah, that's what happens. That's why those seagulls are so stupid to do that. You're up there, down there at that spot. I just don't know where, but I'm pretty sure it's down there. And now buried. All right there, that's the spot.
Diamond flipper. You're annoying at the beach. You keep going.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
Kind of.
Well, what do you know? Another dead animal. Didn't actually saw it get zapped, but we do know it's dead. So now you know what happens to animals when they are not supposed to be on that kind of spot. Like the electrical wire sits up there. So, animal's dead. We're done. That's it for the video. I thought it was going to be one of those like moments where it's just sitting there doing nothing, just taking a breath, or injured, or maybe thirsty or choking on something. But actually didn't notice, they got zapped. So when they get zapped, they start to die slowly. And now you know what happens. So yeah, that's pretty much it of what just happened and what we did to the seagull. So seagull's dead, end of story. Subscribe to my channel.